Today, we're gonna talk about the Elkay Luster Tone Iconics Kitchen Sink and the perfect drain. And I know the perfect drain sounds funny, but that is what Elkay's come up with, and it works. This is something I think is cool, and I've wondered before, why don't sinks already come like this? Elkay has talked to plumbers, got out ahead of people, and they have figured it out. Now, this video is sponsored by Ferguson. And we teamed up with Ferguson because we appreciate everything they do for plumbers and the plumbing community and the way they introduce us to great people to show you great product. So Elkay's been making plumbing products for years. We've all used them. We've all dealt with them before. A great product. But when I got asked to do a video, not just about the Elkay sink, but about the perfect drain, I was really excited. The reason is, I had studied this, I had seen this when it first came out, and I thought this is something that should have been done a long time ago. Actually, I probably invented this idea. Maybe they should call me and let's work out some kind of a deal. Okay, maybe not. Here's the thing. Can you imagine a sink that already comes with the trim on it for the garbage disposal? Such a smart idea. Now you don't have to fight everything. You don't have to get everything lined up, twisted to where all your letters are the same way. But this is even better than that. This is such a clean look that it really is a cool thing. So what I'm gonna bring up here is the Elkay Luster Tone Iconics with Perfect Drain. And this is cool, so I'm gonna move my stuff out of the way. And I'm gonna set this up here. Okay, so this is really cool. You've actually got the garbage disposal hardware already on here. Now, this is the drain piece that actually goes with the in-sink aerator garbage disposals. And I think it's so cool that they've already attached it to it. It is actually welded to the bottom of the sink. So this is something now you don't have to attach. And let me go something better than that. Elkay has actually put together the drain to where it works with this, so they can send it already out, or man, if you wanted 2 garbage disposals, knock it out. But this is something really neat. What you do, you take the Elkay Perfect Drain, take everything apart here, and here are your pieces. So you've got a rubber here, the rubber gasket, and as you can see, it's got a lip right here on the bottom. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stick that in here and it's gonna come down. You want that rubber lip turned out and it's gonna go all the way down in here where that ring is for the garbage disposal. Now, it is so neat that they've designed this to where this fits right in there. Now, there's my little basket strainer and this is just cool looking. But now you take the drain, drop it down in there, it goes right down to that rubber gasket. So it pulls right down in here in the bottom. Now you take the drain housing and the rubber gasket. Take your nut. So that part is easy to do. Now it's very easy. You take your flange tail piece, put your washer right there in the top, slide your nut up, and put it on. So nothing hard about this. This is an easy installation. And I'll show you the inside in just a minute because I'm gonna flip it over and show you the garbage disposal now. So now the cool part about this, you literally take the top assembly for your garbage disposal, take it apart if you need to, and you're gonna get rid of the ring because it's already here. So literally, just like you would for any garbage disposal, put all your pieces on there. And this is so neat, your split ring snaps right on, tighten everything up. So once you get it all put together, snug it up. Once you get it all together, put everything in, line it up, get it all together, line it up, put it right where you want it. Now, the cool thing about this, did you see how much time that saved me? Now, not a lot, but I didn't have to roll up putty, I didn't have to put together. But here's the neat part. The inside of this thing looks so clean, so clear, so sharp. It's kind of cool. Now, as you can see, this is a clean installation. It looks good, it looks nice, it looks sharp, and it actually saves you time. So if you've actually installed the Elkay sinks with the perfect drain, do me a favor and leave me a comment down below. Did you think it was easy as I did? Because I gotta tell you, not only is it easy to do, but it looks sharp and I think more customers are gonna love it. This is actually what I want at my house now. I like the way it looks and the food has nowhere to go. It's gonna be a sink that's always easy to clean and pretty simple to install. Do me a favor, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Again, thank you to the people at Elkay and thanks to Ferguson for sponsoring this video for us. Anything that you found here that you want, go to ferguson.com and check it out. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. I'll see you in the next video if you don't get flushed.